test verified. F-150 cleared for entry. Gate Alpha.
Cable secured. Clear to lift.
Coming up slowly. Watch your spacing.
Bring it over to the AGV now. Cable secured. Clear to lift.
Coming up slowly. Watch your spacing.
Bring it over to the AGV now.
Is this metal really military grade? It's the same alloy used in fighter jets.
How thin is the skin of a truck? Thinner than a penny, but stronger than steel. How do you flatten a 5,000 kilogram roll of metal with enough power to flatten a building? Next, the first press of the Ford F-150.
Looks good. No wrinkles or tears. Perfect strike. Send it to trimming.
Did you scan the VIN?
Yes, serial number confirmed. Ready for welding.
Can a robot weld better than a human? They do it with 0.1 millimeter accuracy every single time. How do you know if a weld is strong? By looking inside the metal with sound waves.
Down! Down! Lock!
Will these rivets ever come out? They are designed to last for decades of off-roading. The interior takes shape.
How many wires are in a truck? Over 3 miles of cables. Next, the heart of the beast, the battery.
Align left, steady.
Do electric trucks get hot? Yes, and they need 3 radiators to keep the 580 horsepower cool.
Clear.
How do you steer a 3-ton truck with one finger? High torque electric power steering.
How much code runs this truck? More than a fighter jet, 100 million lines.
Can a charging port be smart? This one tells you the battery level with a pulsing light. The light bar, the Lightning signature.
Why a full-width light bar? So everyone knows this isn't just any truck, it's a Lightning. A trunk in the front?
Outlet 4 confirmed.
A-side lock.
B-side lock!
How do you tighten 24 nuts in seconds? With a 6-headed robotic wrench. Next, first time on the ground.
Final check on the grill alignment.
Scanner shows green, proceeding to the tunnel.
final check on the grille alignment.
Scanner shows green. Proceeding to the tunnel.
Gap A1 confirmed.
Can a robot see better than you? It sees 0.01 millimeters, the thickness of a single hair. Preparing for the rain test.
The seals are holding tight.
Confirmed. No intrusion at the charge port.
Looks good for bone dry inspection.
Bring the vehicle forward slowly onto the alignment plates. We are ready for the laser check.
Verified.
Easy, easy, stop.
Look at the space in here.
Yeah. It's 400 liters, enough for a full cooler. Yeah.
That is incredible.
Oh, wow, feel that. It just grips the road. Incredible.
Congratulations, it's officially yours.
10,000 pounds. Zero struggle. Instant torque means hills feel like flat ground.
No guessing, just math.
World's truck, built for everyone, everywhere. One truck, a million different lives.
The city that never sleeps, powered by the truck that never stops.
Tap the watch.
See? Seamless.
Told you this truck was smart. All right, grab your side.